What if I told you at one single drink could lower your blood pressure, fight inflammation, boost your immune system, and even help with weight loss, all without medication? A vibrant red tea, once worshipped by ancient Egyptians, and now proven in modern clinical studies. That tea is hibiscus tea. But listen closely. While the benefits are incredible, there's one hidden risk most people have never heard of. And if you drink hibiscus the wrong way, it could cause more harm than good. So, stay with me, because today, we're revealing the truth behind hibiscus tea, how to use it, when to avoid it, and the 7 life-changing benefits proven by science. This information truly has the power to change your health and maybe even save a life. Benefit number 1, lowers high blood pressure naturally. High blood pressure, also known as the silent killer, can quietly damage the body for years before symptoms ever appear. It is one of the leading causes of heart attacks, strokes, kidney failure, and sudden death worldwide. But hibiscus tea offers a powerful natural solution. Inside this deep red flower are anthocyanins, plant compounds that act like tiny relaxation signals for your blood vessels. They help the walls of the arteries loosen and widen, so blood can flow smoothly with less force and resistance. The heart doesn't have to work as hard. Pressure on artery walls goes down. Circulation improves throughout the entire body. In a major clinical study, people who drank hibiscus tea every day experienced a drop in systolic blood pressure by 7 to 11 points in just a few weeks. A result similar to some prescription medications, but without causing fatigue, dizziness, or other common side effects. Ever better? Hibiscus is caffeine-free, making it a calming choice for mornings and evenings. Your heart deserves a break, and hibiscus tea does exactly that. A delicious, affordable, and science-backed way to protect your most important muscle. Benefit nerds a powerful anti-aging antioxidant shield. Aging isn't just about getting older. It's about how fast our cells break down over time. Every single day, your body is attacked by stress, pollution, smoking or secondhand smoke, poor diet, lack of sleep, UV sunlight exposure. All of these create free radicals, unstable molecules that damage healthy cells and accelerate aging from the inside out. But the deep red color of hibiscus tea is a sign of power. That pigment comes from antioxidants, especially vitamin C, supports skin, immunity, and collagen. Polyphenols protect against chronic diseases. Quercetin reduces oxidative stress in organs. These antioxidants perform a rescue mission inside the body. They neutralize harmful free radicals, repair damaged cells, protect DNA from long-term aging effects. Some herbal teas lose antioxidant power after harvesting, but hibiscus retains its strength, especially when brewed properly. Every sip helps your cells live longer and stronger, a natural defense system working around the clock. So, when you drink hibiscus tea, you're not just enjoying a refreshing beverage. You're giving your body a youth-protective boost from the inside out. Benefit 3, lowers bad cholesterol and keeps arteries clean. When cholesterol becomes unbalanced, it starts a chain reaction inside the body. High levels of LDL cholesterol, often called the bad kind, can stick to artery walls like grease clogging a pipe. Over time, these deposits harden into plaque that narrows blood flow, forcing the heart to pump harder and harder. This leads to atherosclerosis, heart attacks, circulation issues, stroke risk. But hibiscus tea provides a powerful natural cleansing effect. It contains compounds called bioactive flavonoids, which help break down LDL cholesterol, increase HDL, the good cholesterol that clears the arteries, improve the flexibility of artery walls, reduce oxidative stress in blood vessels. Think of HDL as the garbage truck of your bloodstream. It picks up the excess cholesterol and takes it out of the body. In several studies, participants who drank hibiscus tea daily experienced a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol. Some cases, up to 12% within just 1 to 2 months. And unlike certain medications, hibiscus doesn't come with the muscle pain, fatigue, or liver strain. This one small habit helps your heart, brain, and entire bloodstream stay clean, flexible, and vibrant, the way nature intended. Benefit number 4: fights inflammation and relieves chronic pain. Inflammation is your body's natural alarm system. It alerts your immune system when there's an injury or infection. But when inflammation never turns off, it becomes a silent destroyer inside the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to joint pain and arthritis, diabetes, weight gain, swollen legs and feet, heart disease, brain fog, and fatigue. It causes stiffness, swelling, and a constant feeling that something just isn't right. This is exactly where hibiscus tea steps in as a cooling, calming force. The flower contains anti-inflammatory phytochemicals that reduce swelling in tissues, calm overactive immune responses, ease joint and muscle discomfort, help the body recover from daily stress. Unlike pain medications that may irritate the stomach or kidneys, hibiscus works with your body, not against it. It's like giving your body a soothing internal cold compress, helping it rebalance and heal naturally. So, whether your discomfort is from long work days, aging joints, or chronic inflammation, a warm cup of hibiscus tea may be one of the gentlest, most effective habits you can have for daily relief. Benefit number 5: supports weight loss and a healthy metabolism. Let's be honest, losing weight isn't just about willpower. Your body has internal systems, hormones, metabolism, digestion, that either help you burn fat or fight against you. Hibiscus tea supports weight loss on multiple levels, making the process easier and more natural. It contains special compounds called hibiscus acid and polyphenols that block the formation of new fat cells, help break down stored fat more efficiently, reduce appetite and cravings, especially for sugar, improve digestion by increasing enzymes in the gut. Plus, hibiscus helps support the liver, the organ responsible for burning fat, detoxifying the body, metabolizing stored energy. When the liver is happy, fat loss becomes smoother. In promising studies, people drinking hibiscus tea daily saw a reduction in body fat, particularly around the belly and hips, areas influenced by stress hormones. And unlike many fat-burning drinks or supplements, no harsh stimulants, no jittery energy crashes, no rapid heartbeat. It's a gentle, refreshing boost that pairs perfectly with a balanced diet, daily movement, quality sleep. Hibiscus tea doesn't just help you lose weight. It helps your body work with you instead of against you. A simple cup a day can set your metabolism up for success. Benefit number 6: boosts your immune system and fights infections. Your immune system is your daily protection, teams standing guard against viruses, bacteria, and anything that tries to make you sick. But stress, lack of sleep, and everyday toxins can weaken this important defense. Hibiscus tea gives your immune system a powerful advantage. It is rich in vitamin C, strengthens immune response, antibacterial and antiviral properties help the body fight infection. Antimicrobial compounds disrupt the growth of harmful germs. Vitamin C also helps your body produce collagen, the glue that holds skin, muscles, and blood vessels together. So, hibiscus tea doesn't just protect your health, it helps your body repair and maintain itself. And since it's delicious hot or iced, hibiscus is an easy daily habit that keeps your immune system ready, day and night. Instead of reaching for sugary drinks or artificial supplements, you can pour a comforting cup of hibiscus and give your body the support it truly needs. Simple, natural, effective. Benefit 7. Cleans and protects the liver and kidneys. Your liver and kidneys are the hardest working filters in your entire body. Every single day, they process added sugar and processed foods, pollution and chemicals, medications, alcohol and caffeine, environmental toxins. If these organs become overworked or inflamed, toxins start building up, leading to fatigue, bloating, brain fog, swelling in the legs and feet, and long-term disease. Hibiscus tea offers gentle but powerful support to these vital organs. At the same time, hibiscus nourishes the liver by reducing fatty buildup, lowering inflammation, improving liver enzyme activity, supporting the breakdown of stored fat. In research studies, people who consumed hibiscus saw better liver function and less fat around the liver, critical for preventing fatty liver disease and supporting metabolism. Hibiscus tea works like internal housekeeping, helping the body stay balanced and energized naturally. A healthier body truly begins with a cleaner inside. Who should not drink hibiscus tea? Now, hibiscus tea is powerful and beneficial, but not everyone should drink it. Because hibiscus can lower blood pressure and blood sugar, you should use caution if you already have low blood pressure. Take blood pressure or diabetes medications, are pregnant or breastfeeding, have hormone-sensitive conditions, take diuretics or medications that affect electrolytes. In these situations, hibiscus may intensify medication effects or reduce blood pressure by much. So if you have a medical condition or take daily medication, it's always best to talk to your healthcare provider first. For most healthy people, though, hibiscus tea is one of the safest, most supportive everyday habits you can enjoy. Here's the perfect hibiscus tea recipe to get all the benefits. Ingredients: 1-2 tablespoons dried hibiscus flowers, 1 cup hot water. Optional: cinnamon, ginger, lemon, or a small amount of honey. Add dried hibiscus to hot, not boiling water. Steep 7-10 minutes. Strain and enjoy, hot or iced. Best times to drink it: morning, supports healthy blood pressure and circulation. All day. Evening, helps reduce swelling and inflammation before bed. Most people get amazing results with 2 cups daily. Tip: if the tea tastes too sour, add cinnamon or a squeeze of lemon. It boosts benefits and flavor. So what do we get from this one simple red tea? A healthier heart, cleaner blood vessels, less inflammation, better immunity, a stronger, more vibrant body from the inside out. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe for more natural health videos, and comment below. Hot or iced? How do you enjoy hibiscus tea? Here's to your health and to simple habits that protect the heart and fuel a longer life. See you in the next video.